guys, welcome to Program Hut. In this video, we are going to learn about Android manifest file. Android manifest is the root layout of the project structure. It contains all the information regarding the application, such as activity, service, broadcast receiver, etc. Android manifest file is responsible to access any protected parts by providing the permission. Now let's understand the element of manifest file. Manifest element is the root element of Android manifest file. It has package attributes that describe the package name of the activity class. Application element is the sub-element of the manifest file. It contains several sub-elements that define the application component, like activity, broadcast receiver, etc. Commonly used attributes of these elements are icon, label, and theme, etc. Where icon represents the icon for all the Android application, label works as a default label for the application, and theme represents the common theme for all the Android activities. Now let's understand the activity. Activities also sub-element of the application element and represent an activity that must be defined in the Android manifest.xml file. It has many attributes like label, name, theme, launch mode, etc. In this intent filter is a sub-element of an activity that defines the type of intent to which an activity, service, and broadcast receiver to respond to. Action attribute that adds an action for the intent filter. Intent filter should have at least one action element. Category attribute that adds a category name to an intent filter. That's it for the day. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.